Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you get the notifications, like the video, comment and share.
This video, I'm going to solve this non-homogeneous differential equation of second order. It is called non-homogeneous because the right hand side is a function of x here, and this contains the solution as two parts, CF and PI. Now first of all, I will write it in a symbolic with a derivative form as d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y equal to 2x plus x square I can write. Now using the differential operator, I can write this differential equation as d square plus 2d plus 1 into bracket y. I can take common and I can write it as 2x plus x square. Okay, this is using the differential operator. Now I have to find out first CF. Okay, now to find CF complementary function, auxiliary equation I will get by replacing d by m, that is m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. And you can observe this one, it is a perfect square, as a perfect square of m plus 1 the whole square equal to 0, which implies m plus 1 is equal to 0 twice, 2 times, or m equal to minus 1 twice. That means repeated root m is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 are the two roots what I am going to get. Therefore CF I can write it as, okay, my CF is equal to yc equal to, as the repeated roots are there, I can write it as c1 plus c2x into e to the power minus x is my CF. First part I calculated. Then particular integral I have to find out. To find particular integral, PI. How to find out PI then? Okay, therefore PI is equal to right hand side, that is 2x plus x square divided by d square plus 2d plus 1 is the PI. Correct? Now as the numerator is a polynomial, in last two previous examples I have solved for e to the power ax and sin ax or cos bx. Then as it is a polynomial, actual division we have to do here. Okay, what is that actual division method? And other method also I will solve this one here. What is the actual division method then here? That is, while writing this one, I have to write it in the ascending powers of d, that is 1 plus 2d plus d square. The powers of d are goes on increasing, ascending powers, whereas this one 2x plus x square we have to write in the descending powers of x, that is x square plus 2x. This one we have to do actual division. Okay, what I have to multiply to x square 1 to get x square here, that will become simple here. Okay, to get x square to 1 I have to multiply by x square only. Okay, then I will get x square. I have to cancel this one, actual division method. Therefore 1 plus d 2d plus d square into x square equal to what I am going to get here, 1 into x square plus 2d into x square plus d square into x square, that is nothing but x square plus d means differentiation of x square is 2x, 2 into 2 4x. Okay, plus differentiation of x square is 2x, another differential will become 2. Therefore I have to get here what, x square plus 4x plus 2, whole this term is multiplied by x square, then I am going to get this one. Then subtract, while subtracting the signs will change. Therefore x square cancels, and here minus 2x and this is minus 2 will remain. Now second term, what I have to multiply to 1, this 1 to get minus 2x, this minus 2x I want to cancel, therefore I will multiply by minus 2x. Okay, therefore here 1 plus 2d plus d square into minus 2x I have to do. That is 1 minus 2, sorry, 1 into 2x minus 2x plus 2d into minus 2x plus d square into minus 2x. All these terms should be multiplied like this. Then it is minus 2x. Then the differential of x is 1. Minus 2 into minus 4 it will become, okay, 2 into 2 minus 4. Differential of x is 1. And second derivative of 2x will become 0. Therefore, this term I will take here. Okay, minus 2x minus 4. Then subtract again. This will become plus. This also will become plus. Then 2x cancels. Minus 2x plus 2x. This will remain plus 2. Is it clear? Now, what I have to multiply to 1 to get 2? Okay, I have to multiply by 2 to get 2. Therefore, 2 into 1 is 2. 2d into 2. 2d, or you can write here as 1 plus 2d plus d square. Okay, this is one term, this is second term, this is what, third term, into 2. 1 into 2, 2. Differential of 2 is 0. Second derivative is also 0, which is equal to 2. Subtract, it will become 0. The remainder has become 0. Therefore, this quotient will become our particular integral. Okay, therefore, particular integral equal to yp is equal to whatever the quotient has remained. This is our pi. That is x square minus 2x plus 2 is the yp. Okay, now same thing I can find out using the alternate method also, but let me write the complete solution first. Okay, now complete solution y is equal to yc plus yp, or general solution also you can call. Therefore, it is c1 plus c2x. Okay, that is c1 plus c2x into e to the power minus x plus x square minus 2x plus 2 is my complete solution y. Okay, just for your information sake, that x square minus 2x in the alternate form also I will solve here. Okay, to be continued. Alternate method also I will solve and come back. Pi I am going to discuss. Therefore, pi is nothing but 2x plus x square divided by d square plus 2d plus 1 it is. Now this one I can write it as 2x plus x square divided by, it is d plus 1 the whole square, or this one I can write it as 1 plus d raised to minus 2, this will take the numerator, into 2x plus x square I can write, and the expansion for this 1 plus d raised to minus 2 I can use it as 1 minus 2d plus 3d square minus 4d cube plus so on up to infinity terms, into 2x plus x square I can use. Then each term is multiplied with this, that is 1 into this, that is 2x plus x square into 1 minus 2d into 2x plus x square minus 3d square into 2x plus x square minus 4d cube into 2x plus x square and so on. Okay, plus so on will come. Now 2x plus x square as it is minus 2 into differentiation of 2x. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Minus 3 into second derivative of 2x plus x square. First derivative is 2 plus x square. Another differential will become 0 plus 2. Like that, minus 4. Third derivative of all these terms will become 0. Now, fifth or fourth derivative of all those things terms will become 0. Now, you can stop here. Which is equal to 2x plus x square minus 4 minus 4x. Correct? Minus 4x and it is minus 6, and rest all terms are 0, which is equal to x square 2x minus 4x will become minus 2x, okay, and minus 4 minus 6, sorry, okay, just you can just here, this is plus 3d square is there, plus this will become plus 6, therefore it is a plus 2 will become, therefore what previously I calculated pi, okay, using the actual division method, also I have got the same thing as a pi, x square minus 2x plus 2. By expanding this one also I am getting the same thing, but usually we are using actual division method only, that will become very simple to identify, okay. Like this, some more examples on this type I am going to solve in my next videos. If you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications of my next videos. Like this video, comment, and also share this video. Thank you, friends.